All right, this video is going to show you how to replace the clip that holds the bobbin cover plate in. A lot of times this this clip is broken. So if you order a new one, a little trick just to show how to install it. Or right here you see that what looks like a tip of a screw, and on the inside it's like the screw head. So to loosen it, you want to act like you're tightening down a screw by turning it clockwise. This actually loosens the screw so you can pull out the remaining pieces what you have. It slides to the right. So you can see it's got that little clip on it and a little groove that kind of indexes it into place. One thing you have to watch with the screw, if you screw all the way out, you're going to hit your rotary hook assembly. And just so you know too, this type of clip and bobbin cover is found on the 401As, 403As, 404s, 500A, 503A, and the 6 and I believe 700 series machines. So if you order a part kit from me, you're going to get the clip and the plate, and I showed you how to remove some, basically make sure that's loosened up so you can slide your clip in. Just take it, work it behind the screw. You're going to need a little screwdriver because you want to lift it up over the lips and get it centered. So you can see, because there's a little shelf on the inside here. So once you have it in place, turn your screw counterclockwise like you would be normally loosening a screw, but in this case you're tightening this screw. You want to get it snugged into place. And then when you go to insert your bobbin cover, this is loose all the way out. So if you look on the edge, these grooves come all the way to the end, but on the inside they don't. They stop right around here. So you're going to have to make sure your needle is in the up position and bring your plate. So you're going to come moving it forward. Take your little screwdriver and just lift each corner just enough, and you'll see it tuck in. And once you get it in there, you're good to go. And it's as simple as that. And if you're going to remove it, say you want to go in for maintenance reasons, lift the back end up and then just slide it like this, and it comes right out. Always making sure your needle's in its highest position so you have room to work with. Oh, and while this is open, if you ever had a little play in your shuttle, your bobbin case here, this little screw next to this tension tab, which lifts up to slide out, this is the bobbin case holder. This little screw, turning it, actually adjusts the tension. It's an offset screw, and you have a screw here to loosen it so you can do your adjusting and then tighten it back down. So what it does, because it's oblong, it wobbles it back and forth and just get it so you have a little play to it. Keep it oiled. You don't want it sloppy, and you don't want it too tight. Too tight will bind it up. So I hope that helps you.